This week we're going to highlight the latest crop condition ratings from the USDA as well as the short-term weather forecast. We're also going to take a look at some concerning trends in the U.S. export sales of corn and wrap things up with a long-term look at December corn futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the corn market. We've moved into the last part of August here, and this corn market is remaining exceptionally weak. Let's start out this week looking at trends in crop condition ratings. Now, our weekly map here did show some deterioration nationwide from 59% good to excellent last week to 58% this week. That's still above 55% last year. States that were notably weaker compared to a week ago include Colorado, Kansas, North Dakota, South Dakota, as well as Missouri. We did see some modest improvement, however, in Iowa and Minnesota, and unchanged conditions in Nebraska, Illinois, Wisconsin, and Michigan. Let's now look at our aggregate crop condition index here. Following 2 consecutive weeks of improvement, we did see a decline in the aggregate index. However, notice it's still above the red line from a year ago, but it's well below some of these recent years. So there's a lot of unknowns yet with regards to yield potential. Let's now look at crop progress here. U.S. corn dented. U.S. corn dented here as of August 20th was at 35% nationwide. Over the next 2 weeks, on average, corn dented increases about 32%. So roughly 2/3 of the corn should be dented on average by Labor Day. Let's shift our attention to weather. Of course, we're looking at a very hot and dry period this week. What does the future hold? Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. Now, we are highlighting a very warm and dry period here, starting with the heat that's forecast to persist across that entire shaded area through Thursday and Friday of this week. Looking at rainfall associated with these conditions, very little rainfall. You can see in that far eastern corn belt, maybe some scattered showers across parts of Michigan, Ohio. Otherwise, very little rain over the next few days. There are some changes in the future, however. Let's look forward now to Friday and Saturday this week. As that cool air works its way down from Canada, much cooler conditions are forecast around Friday and Saturday of this week. How about rainfall? Looking at Saturday through Monday of this coming weekend, we're looking at that pink area, very small area, an inch of rain, a little bit more widespread coverage in that green area here from west to south of about 1/4 to 3/4 inches. As you go further east, however, very little in the eastern corn belt. So some rain, but not widespread coverage. Let's quantify our rainfall now over the next 2 weeks. Now, we're looking here at a lot of red still in this map this week. Obviously dry to intensely dry over the next 14 days, which would take us into that first few days of September, roughly into Labor Day. Let's shift our attention briefly now to demand, taking a look at export sales. Now, this has proven to be a very valuable chart here in terms of providing perspective. It's combined old and new crop unshipped export sales. Here we're looking at the 3rd lowest total in the last 18 years. So we do not have a strong export program at the moment in place for the September, October, November quarter. Let's wrap things up this week looking at long-term trends in December corn. Now, December corn, as we tape here on Tuesday, is trading near $4.80 a bushel. We're looking at a price that's well below where the market was trading this time last year. As we've always indicated, price is unpredictable, however, so we continue to strongly encourage you to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to defend your balance sheet. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.